Konnichiwa! Yes, it's another edition of Japanese Cooking for Idiots, and today we are doing Yakisoba Noodles. Yakisoba Noodles, super easy. It's like a sort of glorified stir fry, just with some Yakisoba noodles. You can use egg noodles, but we recommend trying to find Japanese Yakisoba noodles because they are a bit better. For this, you will need, and I'll grab my list, the following. Some Yakisoba noodles, that's enough for two there. Some pointed cabbage, about 200 grams. We've cut this into squares, nice sort of square shapes. Don't slice it into thin strips, into nice square shapes. That's what we're looking for, nice square shapes. Some meat, preferably some pork here. We've got some sliced pork, enough for sort of, not a lot, but enough for one or two. There's some beansprouts, 40 to 80 grams, depending on whether you like it or not. We're going to add some mushrooms just because we've got some mushrooms, so why not? But you don't have to add the mushrooms. We've got some carrots as well that we're going to be adding. And then as part of the sauce, we're going to use some Tonkatsu sauce, 2 tablespoons of that. Some soy sauce, of course, and some salt and pepper, and some ginger for flavouring. So those are the basic ingredients, which I've listed hopefully down here if you've seen it, if I can be bothered to do it in the edit. There you go, and about, we're going to use about 50 ml of water as well. So, first things first, going to stir fry the meat. So, over to the stove. Okay, hot pan. Ideally, if you've got a wok type pan, one with a lid, you'll find out why we need the lid later. It's ideal. So I'm using this pan because I've got this handy lid, which we're going to use later. Make sure the pan, like a bog standard method for cooking, wok style cooking, make sure the pan is super hot. Add about a tablespoon of oil by hand. That'll do. Give that a little swish around. First things first, I'm going to fry up the thinly sliced pork. Right, that only takes a few seconds in a super hot pan. We're going to add the veggies. Pointed cabbage, sliced carrots, bean sprouts, and then as we're adding the mushrooms, give that a few more mins. Right, so once you've done that for a few minutes, we're going to set it aside, take it out of the pan, put it on a plate or something, and just set aside for a few moments while we do the noodles. Okay, put that straight back. I'm going to add the about the 50 ml of water, and then just add the noodles. So it comes in 2 pairs there, like that.
Yeah, you need to
Then we can put the lid on. And basically what we're going to do is, that's going to get steamed, so we're going to just let it until all the water sort of evaporated. And then we're all good and we'll add the rest of the sauce and stuff. Okay, so I've added a little bit more water just to kind of steam it through, because the water's running out and I want to make sure that they're cooked properly, so I just added a little bit more water, give them a little mix, break them down a bit. And there you go, now they're nice and sort of floppy and smooth looking. Right, I'm just going to steam off the rest of the water. Okay, so yeah, all the water looks like it's evaporated now, the noodles are looking good, so we just add back veggies and pork. That's why you need a nice big wok pan, so you can fit it all in and toss it about. Maybe a purchase for me, a little treat. Right, mix that all up together. And then we just add the various bit of salt and pepper for taste. Add the soy. Tonkatsu, which goes great with pork. That's beautiful, tonkatsu. If you're not sure, if you can't find any tonkatsu, then I'll leave a little recipe how to make tonkatsu, but you can buy it in jars quite easily from places like Waitrose. And then the ginger. Get it all in. Give that all a mix. Take the heating down a bit. You don't want to burn it. Oh, I can smell now. I smell all the soy in there. And then we're about good, yeah? Once that's all mixed in, that's it. So let's serve that up. Off we go. So that's just a question of serving up. It smells really nice. You can smell the tonkatsu and the soy. Pork and cabbage go together so well. It's so quick and easy to do. And there we go. Yakisoba noodles. So let's taste our yakisoba noodles.
いただきます。
Mmm. It's nice.
The ginger is
You taste the sauce and everything. The pork. So what's the verdict?
That's good. Very good. It's yakisoba in Japan. Yeah. Same taste.
So there you go, yakisoba noodles. Thanks for watching. Remember, please like, subscribe, put any comments down below. I'll try to respond. And until next time, sayonara.
And that